Hi friends, welcome back to Kitchen Princess Bamboo, Japanese everyday food. Today I want to share with you how to make homemade butter. So many people asked me about how to make homemade butter, which I have shown in the last video. I will show you how to make whipped honey butter as well. Whipped honey butter was seen in my fluffy pancakes video, and this is also I have received so many requests. Homemade butter is so easy to make. You can use your leftovers from the fridge. Let's get started. Pour the heavy cream into mixing bowl straight up from the fridge. Start mixing on low to avoid splattering all over. When it thickens a little bit, increase the speed to medium. After 2 to 3 minutes, it forms stick peaks. Continue whisking. When you see the separation occurring, stop whisking. It takes 4 to 5 minutes from start to finish. I'll drain off the buttermilk from the butter. Pour the buttermilk and butter into a cheesecloth-lined sieve set on a bowl. Put a medium-sized bowl filled with icy water on butter to separate any moisture from the butter. Let it sit for 1 to 2 hours. The reason for doing this is because butter with high water content is not going to last long, but what I want here is kind of intermediate. Leave some content of buttermilk to make fluffy butter. If you want the pure butter, squeeze out all the buttermilk. Don't throw away the buttermilk. You can use this liquid, whatever recipe calls for buttermilk. You can do this with your hand mixer. For fluffy homemade butter, whisk until fluffy with your hand mixer. Add salt if you want it to. At this point, perfect for fluffy bread, or just go ahead serve with baked potato on upcoming Thanksgiving dinner. For whipped honey butter, simply add 1 tablespoon honey to 50 to 60 grams of butter. Whip until evenly mixed and fluffy. Transfer to a ramekin, store in the fridge. This will last for 3 to 4 weeks. Perfect for fluffy pancake. Last but not least, jam butter. Mix homemade butter with your favorite jam. This is my homemade plum jam. The taste is on sour side, so it matches with the flavorful butter. I like to serve with toast and scones. This butter will last 1 to 2 weeks. Give it a try and let me know how you like it. Thanks for watching the video. Give me a thumbs up if you liked the video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Feel free to leave questions and future video requests in the comment section below. Follow me on social media to check my daily activities other than the recipes. The store on Amazon is open 24/7 for you to see what I'm using in my kitchen. Thanks for watching again, and I'll see you again in a week. Bye!